Oh, hi there. My name's Missy. Welcome. We're going to go through an articulation focus warm-up. You can do this in a pinch. It's about 5 minutes. It's just going to help you get all your articulators moving. Where I always like to start is with the jaw. The jaw holds a lot of tension. So begin by just massaging your jaw. If your jaw is really tight, it's really easy to start talking like this. It's like, what did you just say? Open your mouth. Okay, so get in there with your knuckles all into this jaw hinge here. You can let out some sound, just massaging. And then just follow where the tension is. So right now it's kind of getting called into my cheekbones. So I want to massage a little underneath the cheekbones. Oh, maybe into a little closer to the nose. You can even let out some like E sounds, get that resonator going. I know it's silly, but it's gonna really help. And then allow that massage to go through the back of your neck, your shoulders. Just get into all the little nooks and crannies around the throat and the mouth and the jaw for any tension. You want to start to release all of the tension. And then massaging on the top of the lip. Breathe into this. Sometimes it's nice to do this standing so that you're not holding on through your hips. So just make sure that you're not gripping and grabbing the tension from your jaw or your face and putting it somewhere else. So always kind of be on the hunt. I always like to kind of do this with my hips in mind. Okay, so massaging through the lips. And then start to open the face like you're chewing gum, but I don't know who chews gum like that. Just opening it up. Allow that to start to open up through your eyes, through the whole mask of the face. Then we're going to blow out through the lips. If you can't do that, keep practicing because it's going to come. It's tension in the mouth, so you can go through your scale. And then the tongue usually holds a lot of tension. I shouldn't say usually because some people don't hold tension there. Maybe they've been working for a while. If that's not you, you're going to find out just now. So we're going to do what's called a tongue roll. First of all, you just want to start with a ha, just like a sigh of relief. Ha, should be nice and easy, feeling it on the roof of your mouth. Ha, and then you're going to add a tongue roll. It's going to go ha. Again, it's going to look crazy, but just go with it because we're getting rid of tension. You got to put your ego at the door. So from the side, it looks like now I'm not changing the sound of that ha, but the tongue is moving and it's changing the sound. So if it's sounding like ha da 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 or ha da da or ha da da, that's tongue tension. That's tongue tension. That's jaw tension. So you're going to want to work on that. One way to do that is to bite on the tongue. Not too hard that you take out chunks, but allow for some release of tension. So get all in there. Bite, bite, bite down through the whole tongue. And if you want 2.0 of that, you can go wash your hands, pause the video, and you can get in with your hands. So then you want to massage the tongue with your hands, pressing, get really nice and intimate with your tongue. It's amazing. It's the most amazing muscle. So get in there. While you're in there, go into your cheeks. Start to massage through your cheeks. What's going on in there? Is there tension in there? Just a massage, a whole mouth and tongue massage. And then the last one, you can use your washed hands, or if you have a cork or something like that, you can place 2 fingers or 3 or 1 if you can't quite make it. We're just going to say the alphabet over top of this. Really over enunciate. This is a great thing to do if you have lines that are really hard for you to articulate. Do this and say your lines, really opening your mouth over top. It's going to be awesome. So let's try it. We're just going to do the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So already you should feel a lot more space in your mouth and your jaw, a little more room, a little freer to speak. So I've listed down below a bunch of tongue twisters. Go through them all, go through them fast, go through them slowly, but get all of it over, enunciate the whole thing. And that's just a quick 5-minute check with your articulators. Hope it was fun. Good luck with wherever you're going with this, whatever you needed this articulation for. Hope it goes well, sending good vibes, and I hope to see you again soon.